Hi children, welcome back to Maths class, and today let us start with a good thought. Time is what we want most, but what we use worst. But I believe we are all making use of the time in a useful and better way. And this digital mode has helped us to make the best use of the time. Hope you people are enjoying. Okay, before getting into today's session, let us have a recap of all the things that we learned in previous sessions. Are you ready, my dear children? Here it is. What are the properties of square number? Come on, take your notebook, turn over the pages and recall all the properties of square number. Three properties we discussed about unit digits. Then 2n, n squared minus 1, again n squared plus 1 by 2. Hope you could recall all these things from your notebook. Then we learned how to find the square root by prime factorization method. Then we also learned how to find the square root by repeated subtraction with odd numbers. Hope you have practiced enough problems to have a thorough idea about what is square root. And today we are going to learn about a new method to find square root. Are you all ready? It's a long division method. Okay children, in division we do in two methods, by cancellation and by long division, where we used to have a long steps. Same way we are going to find square root by long division method. Okay, are you ready? Come on, take your note and be ready. Now the first step that we use to find the square root is, let us start with an example. I am going to find the square root of 529. The first step for me is to put bars from the back after two digits. I have to club two digits from the back, not from front, from the back. Is it clear, my dear children? So 2 and 9 are clubbed under one bar and 5 has no pair. So it is also kept under one bar. Is it clear? This is the first step you should do while you start with finding square root by long division method. Is it clear, my dear children? Shall we go to step 2 now? Yes. In step 2, you should recall the square table. What is that? Here it is. 1 squared is 1. That is 1 into 1. 2 squared, 2 2s are 4. 3 squared, 9. You should know to recall all these number to proceed to the step 2. Okay. Hope you all know this. And you can have it in your rough column whenever you start doing this long division method of finding square root. You must have it in your rough column. Okay children. Now see here, we will start like this. Here it is. We will start with this long division symbol. As usual, we used to have it in division of two numbers. Here, what is the first bar number? Only 5. Okay. Now look at this square table. Which number is smaller than 5 here, and it should be close to 5? It is 1 or 4 or 9. Exactly, it is 4. Okay. So how I got 4? 2 squared is 4. That is 2 into 2. This 2 into 2 is placed here. You have to write 2 and 2 here. And that 4 is placed here. Is it clear, my dear children, the first step? So if I subtract 5 less 4, it is 1. This is the second step. From the square table, you will choose a number such that it is smaller than the first bar number. It can be a single number or two-digit number. Is it clear? Only within the square table you will get it. Not even 10 squared. You will get only up to 9 squared. We will not have 10, two-digit number here. We will start with only single-digit number. Is it clear? Only this table you should have it in your rough column whenever you begin with the long division method to find the square root. Now what is the third step? It's very simple. After Subtracting. Bring down the next bar number. What is there in the second bar? 29. Bring these two numbers together. Okay, this is third step. Very simple step. Now what is fourth step? See here, up to 3 steps I have written already. 2 2s are 4. Reminder 1. Bring down this 29. Now how to get this number? This I got by multiplying by 2 in the quotient. You should multiply by 2. Whatever number you have here. If it is 8, you should multiply by only 2 children, not any other number. You should multiply only by 2. So 2 2s are 4. This is how I got this number. I will recall this step again. Whatever is there in the quotient, multiply by 2 and place it here. Is it clear? This quotient number you will bring it here. Am I clear? Okay. Now shall we move to the next step? Here in the next step, you have to find, now up to 4 I have written, isn't it? You know up to 4. Now you have to find a number such that if I place it near to 4 and multiply with the same number, I should get this 129. 129. I should get 129. How to find that number? What number should I place? This you should find. Whatever number I write here, the same number should be written here. For this I will give a hint. This number is ending with 9, isn't it, my dear children? Recall that square table and tell me which square number, which perfect square number will have 9 in its unit digit. 1, no, 4, no, 9. We have 9. So we have the chance of having 3 because 3 squared is 9. Then do I have any other number? 4. 4 4s are 16. No, it has no 9 in its unit digit. And 5, no. 6, no. 7. Yes, 7 7s are 49. We have 2 options now. 8 8s are 64, 9 9s are 81. Even those two numbers has unit digit as 4 and 1. So only this 3 and 7 when squared will have 9 in its unit place. Okay children. So I will try with 3 now. Here also 3, here also 3. Now multiply. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. I got 129. So that's how I got this 3 and this 3 here. Is it clear, my dear children? I will repeat all the steps here now. To begin with, you have to, whenever you come with the bar number, you should look at the square table number. First step is square table number. Okay. If I look at the square table number, I found 2 2s are 4. I cannot put 3 3s are 9. Here both the numbers should be same, my dear children. Not two different numbers. It should be a square number only. Okay. So I got 2 2s are 4. So if I subtract, it is 1. Then I have to bring down this 29. Then how did I get this number? I have to multiply by 2. So I got 2 2s are 4. Then how to choose this number? It is by doing in rough column. Okay. If I locate 47 into 47, will I get 129? No, I will not get. So this is not possible. Is it clear, my dear children? Okay. Now let us have a video of finding the square root of 1296.